Mr. Hanson.
President Royce and members of the council, I'm Royce Hanson, and I'm picking up on conversation with John and Scott. The plan amendment before you violates the first law of holes. When you're in one, stop digging. For Clarksburg, it adds insult to the injuries it has already enjoyed. For the region, it puts at risk the sole emergency water source that it has. The amendment's land use and density recommendations create those risks while vitiating the character of Clarksburg as a corridor city. First, the proposed density of 0.75 FAR for the 94-acre Miles Coppola property allows up to 3.1 million square feet of development, the equivalent of Friendship Heights. Rather than complementing the town center, it overwhelms and exchanges a walkable center for Clarksburg residents with an auto-oriented proposed edge mall. It simultaneously degrades the watershed and puts the reservoir at risk. The proposed 25% impervious restriction is arbitrary, without justification in science, experience, or evidence. The Paint Branch and Upper Rock Creek Special Protection Areas impose an 8% impervious limit on all development. Neither is as sensitive or regionally important as 10 Mile Creek. If you don't remand the amendment to the Planning Board, you should zone this tract to a scale commensurate with the town center, which is approved for 190,000 square feet of commercial and mixed-use development. And you should limit imperviousness to all development in the watershed to 8%, to no more than 8%. Second, the amendment proposes 600 single-family homes on the tract west of I-270. In '93, the Planning Board had recommended that that area be zoned rural with no sewer. Yet the Planning Board tripled down on the staff recommendation. The Planning Board had it right in '93. The staff had it right this time. Now, some suggest that too much has already happened, and you shouldn't stop now. Inertia is not planning. It's not illegal to get smarter. And speculative investments are not vested. I join my colleagues, John Menke and Scott Fossler, in urging you to remand this to the Planning Board for an independent professional analysis of existing and future impacts under different scenarios on the watershed and on the lake. Your decision will brand you as faithful trustees of the future, of the town and the region, or as negligent custodians of the public interest. There are some things that are just intrinsically important and should be protected.
Thank you, Mr. Hanson. Emily Bias. Folks, if we could thank you, folks. Thank you.